Fairfax County is pleased and proud to announce that we are now capable of receiving 911 calls via text. The three primary reasons why text to 911 has become so valuable is that it allows the person that is unable to hear or hearing impaired, a person that is in a precarious situation where it is not in their best interest or safety to voice a 911 call, or where perhaps a person is injured and is unable to voice a 911 call. It now provides them the opportunity, using a smart device, to text a 911 call. There are times when a text message is more easy to push through, if you will, than a voice message predicated upon something that has become part of our vocabulary as society, and that is bandwidth. Clearly, it is always preferred that you call 911, but if you cannot call 911, it is very reassuring to know that there is another way in which you can contact 911. Every year, Fairfax County receives more than 1 million 911 calls. Text to 911 provides yet another means by which a county resident, a county visitor, or someone that works in the county can seek help if they're unable to voice communicate that through traditional 911.